Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. And Windows was unavailable to complete the format. Okay, so first solution is check the driver from bad sector. Okay, so click to start and type cmd and right click to run as administrator. Okay, and then click to yes. So guys, type chk dsk space x space column space slash f space slash r space slash x, then enter. So actually this is drive is not access to my system, that's why this cannot open the value direct access. So guys, this is x actually your driver. I clear you means C drive, D drive. So if you connect pen drive, so this is will come E drive. So you have to enter on X replace E column F slash R slash X. Okay, so this is X is defined your driver, which drive using disk name disk. Okay, and then enter. Then guys, you restart your system will start to 5 to 10 minutes. Properly scan or remove the bad image, bad sector, clearly remove from your C drive and your systems. Okay, and then close. Now second solutions, open Windows security. You can open from here, otherwise you can search directly from Windows security. Okay, security. Virus and threat protections, scan options. You can custom scan. Okay, now you have to fix and select this drive. Like if I select this, so this is pen drives. You can select pen drive and then start folder. So when you start folder, here show scan minimum 15 to 20 minutes will take to scan your device. Okay, then next and final solutions, open file this PC and please check it your driver. Means C, this is C drive, this is D drive, and your pen drive is suppose E drive. So right click, show more, manage, and then click to disk management. And suppose here 6 E drive your pen drive. So right click and format. Can't, this is delete value, and if you can click to format. Like this is I highlight because this is not forwardable. Okay, this one format. Okay, and then restart your system, will connect, then connect your pen drive. Okay, 100% solve the issues. Thank you guys, you do. And any come to you have any issues, so please comment me, I will suggest you.